Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem if given x cubed plus 4x is equal to 8. Then find this expression value x to the power 7 plus 64x square plus 22. This equation is given. We can write x cubed plus 4x is equal to 8. But here x to the power 7, so we have to do both side square it. Okay, square it both side. Here we can apply algebraic identity a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a value x cube and b value 4x. So x cube and then square, so x to the power 6. 2 multiply this value, multiply this value. We can write like this, okay, and plus this value is square. It means b square, or we can say 4x whole square. 8 square is 64. So x to the power 6, 2 times 4, 8, x to the power 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square is 16 and x square is equal to 64. X to the power 6. From here we can take common 8x. Why I am taking x not x square? Because here given x cube. That's why. Okay. So x cube left here, here left 2x is equal to 64. But here 4x, right? This is 4x, x cube plus 4x. So we have to make 4x. So 2x we can write 4x minus 2x. Yes. X cube plus 4x minus 2x. Okay. This is 64. So x to the power 6 plus 8x. This value is given, x cube plus 4x is 8. Okay. So 8 minus 2x is equal to 64. X to the power 6. When we multiply with 8, so this is 64x minus this one multiply 8x multiply with 2x, 16x square is equal to 64. Okay, so we got 64 and it's good. So we have to find out x to the power 7 plus 64 x square plus 22, and now we have x to the power 6 plus 64x, this one. So x to the power 6 plus 64x, and this term we can transfer this side, so it will be positive, right? Okay. So if we multiply here by x, so we will get x to the power 7 plus 64x square. It means here whole equation multiplied by x. So x to the power 7, 64x square, and here 64x plus 16x cube. Okay. So x to the power 7 plus 64x square plus 22. Exactly, we wanted this, right? This one. So here 64x plus 16x cube plus 22. Okay, both side add this. So exactly this one. Okay, from here we can take common 16. 16 times 4, 4x, 64x. 16 we already taken out, so here x cube plus 22. And you know already 4x plus x cube, this is the value of this one, right? 8. We can substitute 8 here plus 22. So 16 times 8 is, tell me, 128. This is 22, and when we add them we get 150. So very simple question, very simple steps. But if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.